Hi guys, today we're gonna be unboxing some Italian brain rot plushies. So let's begin. So we have a massive bag here full of Italian brain rot plushies. So first we have here is we got the Borbaloni Luli Loli, guys. So here, guys, is the Borbaloni Luli Loli. It's a capybara mixed with a coconut. So it's our first one, but each one will get cooler and cooler. So I will put this down first, and then here is Borbaloni Luli Loli, guys. Look, guys, he's so fat and his feet is so big. And why did they make this brown? Okay, that was our first one, and this one is the next one. We got Chimpanzini Bananini. So you can put it on your ceiling or something because it has this thing, and it kind of looks like an ornament when you spin it. And then it's made in, guys, it's made in China, and it has very small ears and a big nose. Okay, so our next one is here. We got Bombardino Crocodilo, and he has a missile in under his armor, and he has a pretty weird looking eye, and he has a wide nose and small nose holes, and then that looks weird because this looks weird. Why did they make it like this? And the eye is supposed to be yellow, not white. So that was our third one. And next we got the orca. Yeah, it has a black hole eye, and he has no feet. Yeah, pretty lame, I guess. Next we have here is the Bombombini Gusini, and then they put the string here, but I'm not gonna cut it because I want to hang it on the bed. It has feet on, it has windows on his neck, and he has more windows that are covered in the body. So that was our fourth one. Next we got the Lirilarilla. So the rest of his body is gone. It has teeth in the nose, and he has big ears. Look at this. And there's even dots for the toes. That was Lirilarilla. And next we got here is Tung 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 Sahur. You're probably looking for this, but this is because it's it's been covered by the other ones that we unboxed earlier. So that this is Tung 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 Sahur, and he has a giant eye and lipstick. Yeah, looks kind of weird, anyways. Okay, next we have here is there's two left here. Okay, this is the next one. It's Tralalero Tralala. It's Tung 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 Sahur's friend, and it even has a gray string. And the mistake here is because there's no Nike logo on the shoes. And you know, that's kind of all I can explain. And the last one here, it's It's Cappuccino Assassino. And you probably look in the AI generated version of him that is wearing shoes, but now he's wearing slippers here or flip-flops. Okay, here is all the Italian brain. Those are all the Italian brain that we unboxed today. Wait for the next video, and share this to your friend, and like and subscribe.